Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display traffic cameras on your map on the QLD Traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find the fifth option, the cameras, and just click to the camera icon and new the traffic cameras is displayed on your map and you can check that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.